Good morning children. Now today I am taking online class for LKG class. Open your book Sparrow Semester book Sam 1 for LKG English subject. Open the page number 5. Already we are finished alphabet capital A says a, and capital B says B. Today we are begin capital C and small c. C says K. C says K. Now children, read with me loudly. C for cake. C for cow. C for car. C for cat. Once again read with me children loudly. C for cake. C for cow. C for car. C for cat. Now here given capital C and small c for written work, and here is some work is given, easy work. What here? Circle all the capital C's and small c's. Circle all the capital C's and small c's. What here? Here is a capital C is given and small c is given. Only you have to mention here. Some words are given. Only identify which one is a small c and capital C. Only circle the first one. Capital C's. Where is the capital C's? Here is a C-A-T cat. C-A-T cat. This one is a capital C. Circle it. Next. C-A-R car. C-A-R car. Here is the capital C. Circle it. Next is C-O-W cow. C-O-W cow. First letter is a capital C. Circle it. Very good. Next C-O-T cot. C-O-T cot. Here is a capital C. Circle on the capital C. Then finish. Circle all the C's. Capital C's is finished. Next is circle all the small c's. Small c's means very small. Where is the small c? Here is the small c. C-A-P cap. C-A-P cap. Here is the small c. Circle it. Next is C-A-K-E cake. C-A-K-E cake. Here is a small c. Circle it. Okay. Next, what given here children? Write the capital letter C. Write the capital letter C. Okay. Here is a red line, blue line and red line is given. You have to start writing for red line to blue line. Use the 3 line. Here is the red line. Write the curve. C says K. 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 Okay, C says K. C says K. This is the curve line. Okay, read with me alphabet letters A to capital letter A to Z. Capital A, capital B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, next what given here? Write the small letter C. Write the small letter C. This is the small c. Okay, here is also line given. Red line and red line. You have to small curve write start from blue line. Small middle lines blue line. Only write blue line. Only use the two middle lines, blue line. Okay, C, small c, small c, small c. C says k. C says k. Small c. Okay, read and write. Okay, children. Small c. Small c. Okay, you have to write neatly capital C and small c. Okay, here is a to Z. Small letters given. Okay, read with me. Small a, small b, small c, small d, e, f, g, h, I, j, k, l, m, n, o, p, q, r, s, t, u, v, w, x, y, z. Okay, finish all work. Help of your parents. Turn the page number 6. Page number 6. Now this is what letter? Capital D and small d. Capital D and small d. D says D. D says D. Pronunciation is D. D for duck. D for deer. D for drum. D for dog. Once again, D for duck, D for deer, D for drum, D for dog. Okay, all the letters please read loudly. Okay, now next work is circle all the capital D's and small d's. Circle all the capital D's and small d's. Okay, here is a given capital letters D. Where is the letter? Capital D. Okay, identify and circle it. D-O-G, dog. Here is a capital D. Circle on it. Okay. Next is D-O-L-L, doll. D-O-L-L, doll. Please circle on the capital D. Okay. D-A-Y, day. D-A-Y, day. Here is the capital D. Circle on it. Okay, now finished capital D's. Next is circle all the small d's. Circle on the small d. Here is a D-double-E-R, deer. Here is the small d. You identify and circle on it. Small d. Okay, D-U-C-K, duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Please circle on a small d. You already know in a nursery class which letter small and capital letter A to Z. Okay, identify the small d and circle on it. Here is one word again given. D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. Here is the small d. Circle on the small d. Okay. Next what given here? Write the capital letter D. Write the capital letter D. Here is a lines given. Red line, blue line, blue line and red line. Capital letter is a start from red line, standing line and curve. Standing line and curve. D says D. Red line to blue line. Use the three line. Standing line and curve. Capital D. 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 Okay. You have to write capital D. This line too and here. Okay. Next. Write the small letter D. Write the small letter D. Here is also line given. Red line, blue line, blue line and red line. Here is a using from small d, red line to blue line, three line. What you have to start? You have to finish now. Small c now you have to write curve, small curve and standing line, small d. Small curve, use the blue line, two line and standing line, small d, curve and standing line, small d. This is D. This is D. Okay, children, say and write small d. Small d. Okay, how to like that write all this work. Okay, page number 6. And one, you have to learn the all spelling with your help of parents. D for duck, D for deer, D for drum, D for dog. D-U-C-K duck, D-E-E-R deer, D-R-U-M drum, D-O-G dog. Okay, thank you children.